Hey guys, Recycled Gaming here, and we are playing South Park's Snow Day. This released a few days ago. I'm actually a little late playing it, but I went through and did the tutorial. We're here in Koopa Keep, and we're gonna visit the Book of Walls.
Here, take a look.
Oh, I'm looking.
Pretty neat, huh? These are some of my favorites.
Yeah, they're my favorites too, Butter. I don't see anything.
Come by anytime.
Alright, I sure will. Let's see.
This is my war table. You can choose your mission on the map, and tell me when you're ready to head to the front lines. You can join someone else's game if you want. Not everyone is cut out for the glory of leadership.
No.
Just mark your name here if you want backup that bad. I'll pull in some randos if you don't have any buddies around.
Whatever you say.
If you want to adjust the difficulty, do it here.
Oh. Got easy, normal, and hard. We're gonna do this on hard. It can't be that bad. Select a chapter and use the start button.
You're ready for battle. Excellent. Step into
All right.
the portal to embark on your mission.
I will. Onward. I can say I do like how they did
Druid
this
elves,
game.
led by that sneaky Drew cow, are planning an attack on the humans. The Grand Wizard has ordered a preemptive attack on their dirty Drew forces.
Kyle.
Cow!
Cartman, who are these assholes?
They're my secret army. We're attacking you before you attack us.
What are you talking about?
My spies saw your army gearing up for battle.
Your spies? What the fuck are you talking about?
Your spies, Kyle. They're your spies are getting ready for battle.
Are you serious? Remember, there's no fighting allowed at the bullshit trial. This is sacred ground.
Yeah, just get on with it, Butters.
Okay, each player lays down a bullshit card so that we can all agree on the rules before the battle begins.
Alright, let's pick a bullshit card.
As the keeper of rules, it is my honor to preside over this bullshit trial. Begin your selection. You're making a mistake, Cartman.
I know you're hiding something, Cal.
Daggers
And we're gonna find out what it is.
25% more damage against bleeding enemies. Yeah, I think we want that one. Want that. Oh. Supersized radioactive goo or moon jump. You can jump higher, run forever, and move faster. Supersized.
Folks.
Check this out. Gigantism, awesome! And some of this.
You really think that will beat my army?
Yeah.
Your days are numbered. Personal shields, kid launchers, bountiful health.
Okay, kid, whatever.
Okay, that does it, fellas. If you ever want to see what bullshit and upgrades are in play, check out the binder I made for you.
I knew it! Kyle is totally planning something. Go kick his ass, new kid. I'll show that little dirty Drew boy not to mess with the Grand Wizard.
Okay. We can see his bullshit and his upgrades. Okay. Let's go find Kyle.
How are we supposed to do anything in all this snow?
What will we do? There are no supplies! Give us the toilet paper, Starch! Starch! Get out of here!
Can't have my toilet paper, it's mine. This snow day is really messing these guys up. Venture back here in these. Collect all the TP we can. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Oh.
Look alive, new kid. Here come the elves.
Here they are.
Ow. Bye-bye. Rah. Eek.
Bitch.
Out.
This is just gonna be a button mashing fiasco
I'm
here.
dead.
You're all dead. Goodbye, friends. I should probably heal up. Boing.
We've got the advantage. Take them.
Oh. Missed. Don't die. Just don't
They're
die.
douchebags
Whatever.
with arrows
Fuck.
that shouldn't be hard.
They went
I
in
would
the
die.
snow. Ugh. Rah.
Come here, help me out. Yes, yes.
That's not fair.
Thank you. You guys are good. Help yourself up.
Ow. I'm dead.
Take his TP.
You got me. Eek. Too rough.
Oh no. Already? Put that down. Heal.
Owie.
Oh, player 1.
Excellent work, new kid.
Victory.
This is just the first of many victories in the name of Christ.
And he's running. I might have to turn these motion controls off. It may not work as good as I thought it would. Luke. Hold on, Timmy.
Treasure this rare moment of peace.
Jimmy.
The lights of a distant land are just a calm before the storm. Check out what I'm packing.
Alright, what we got here? Double tapping a target with a bow creates a 4 damage. 3-meter blast. Multi-shot.
Need help? You can always check game FAQs.
Let's do double tap.
That's a pretty sweet card. Don't fuck it up. Enjoy these
Alright,
upgrades,
man.
new kid. You've earned them.
That gate is blocking the way out, but you're going to have to beat those elves here before you can open it.
Oh, these elves aren't going to be an issue. Not no more.
Don't underestimate the wrath of the elf children.
Ow. Whack.
Oh my god.
Is it slap?
Player 1.
He's right.
That looked like it hurt.
The elf children do not play.
Ah. Bye-bye. I'm dead.
Help.
You came back.
Thank you. Double tap.
Here they come. Oh, fun.
Oh, that's what it means.
Poor player 1.
Oh,
I'm sure someone will pick you up anytime now.
okay, maybe I'm not picking the best spots.
Damn it.
One of your teammates is down. Quick, run over and help him.
Ow.
I see how it is. I see how it is.
Great teamwork.
No, not great teamwork. What about me? Yeah.
Ow.
Player 1. Maybe revive someone else once in a while? I don't know.
I wish I could, Cartman. I wish I could.
Ah.
Oh my gosh.
Got you. Not the bow.
Ugh.
Ugh. Ow. Hurts, don't it? Ah. I'm hit.
Player 1, they almost had you.
Ooh. Come on.
Ugh.
Epic bow action.
Fun.
Alright, no, let's go.
careful, that mud can get a little sticky.
A little?
Oh, ow! No, stop. Eek. Eek. I'm dead.
Bye, little baby elf.
Damn it. Not the bow. Ow! Oh! Oh, fudge. Oh, I'm hit.
That's right.
Ouch! I thought it would feel different. Ow!
You did it! It's okay to go open that gate now.
Alright, let's go open this gate.
When is the next round?
I see your gate opening skill has progressed nicely.
You look for elven treasure. This is a war, so taking their shit doesn't count as stealing.
You're right. You're very right. Oh, what's back here? Carmen. Carmen, you're onto something. What's up here? Nothing? What's this treasure? Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Now we can go back down. I didn't know that was there. Huh. Elves only.
Perhaps it was by fate that we met. Hey, Jimmy asked for my help with your, like, game or whatever. These are dark ritual cards. They can manifest power beyond the mundane. But some of them come at a price. It's up to you what you're willing to sacrifice for wealth and power. Anyway, go ahead and, like, pick one.
Grants 100 toilet paper.
Satan smiles upon your greed.
Give me all the toilet
Sometimes
paper.
I'll be here in Jimmy's place to pull cards for you. If you know, like, fate wills it. You have to come.
Fate, I love it. Alright. We're at Start Spawn. We made it. Oh. Oh, who's down here? Who is it?
Oh, thank God! You gotta help me! I'm scrounging around for supplies and I got stuck in the ice! But I hit the jackpot! Look at all this toilet paper! You have to figure out a way to break the ice and get me out of here! Hurry, my balls are freezing!
Elven treasure. This looks like a trap. I bet Kyle's behind this.
Yeah, Kyle! Yeah! I can help you get Kyle! Just get me out of here! I'll give you some treasure, too!
I'm not sure I trust him, but I'm willing for you to take that risk.
I'm willing for you to take. You
Just
got
power
it.
up that tanker truck. I mean, gnomish juggernaut, and drive it through the ice. You're gonna have to find the keys and the gas and, learn to drive, but...
Alright, Carmen, thank you. Find keys and gas. Oh. Oh, looks like we got different ways you can go. I guess let's start up. What's this? Oh. Oh. Okay, I guess we're going to get the gas first.
Damn elves, they've taken the higher ground.
This is interesting. Oh, okay. Guess this is where the gas can is. Look at all these elves. Can I? Oh, they're just healing
That
up.
kid on the roof, he has your gas. I mean, my gas.
He has my gas. Let's get up here.
That won't work. Dick, no, you got me.
Gotcha. Yeah, you can't hide from me. I guess if we just...
My ass is bleeding. Ah! Ow! Attack! Oh, fudge. Yeah! Stop it. They've got me.
Hey, player one. Yes, we all know you're great at farting.
This tank could blow. Hey!
Yes, knock him down to me.
Damn it. Quit it!
If we can just keep doing it, yes.
Ow!
Come here. Fuck him up.
Oh, nuts! Ow!
Get down there.
Fragile cargo, man! Ouch! Yes,
Oh,
I'm dead.
go for him.
Ah!
Yes, you are.
Ah! Okay, I'm down.
Come here. Give me my gas.
That should be enough gas, new kids. Now find those keys, because honestly, I'm getting bored.
Really, Carmen? You're getting bored? You know what? What's over here?
This cave reeks of elf taint, but it's our only way back to the lake and the treasure.
Oh no! Ow, what? I'm bleeding! Dare!
Yeah, that's the point. Oh no.
Good, got me!
Oh, player one. You okay now? I was worried.
Alright. Oh, did I put two in one spot? Can you even do that?
Oh, nuts! Oh no!
Alright. That was pretty
Prepare
fun.
yourselves. Elves could be lurking in any corner.
Boing.
Ah!
Boing.
Oh!
Yes, sir. I love that their face changed. Still changes after you fart on them. Now let's just beat up these elves.
Ow! Ow!
Get to where we need.
Ow! Remember me!
Revive our friend.
Ow! Too rough.
Too rough. I don't think so.
Is it gonna snow forever?
Oh, sorry, Jimmy.
I was spelunking. Gaze upon your options.
That was suck ass. Party secrets do 30% more damage and filtering.
That's the
We're
one?
doing that.
Great. Good luck out there.
Thank you. We're gonna hoard our TP for a little bit. Now let's go find this key.
Hey, new kid. Have you gotten any foil cards yet? They improve your upgrade
No.
cards. There's a foil card in that chest right there. Go ahead and grab it.
Alright, you got it.
Pretty nice, right? These are hidden all
shit.
around the battlegrounds. Just keep an eye out.
Thank you. Suck ass has just been 40% more damage.
Funny meeting you here, new kid.
Oh, now we get to choose another stinky shaft. Bitter bounty. When you're pissed off, ability seal 20% more. What you spent.
That looks pretty good.
What is opposing one?
See you around, new kid.
Inside. Legendary. Platinum points. Oh, another chest. Treasure. This is just a treasure full of TP. Oh, and I'm checking towards Chuck. Let's drop these off and go get these keys. Wait. Alright, looks like we have to go over here now.
Player one, there's gotta be a cannon here somewhere.
Entering the campsite.
It's an ambush. Those damn elves don't know when to quit.
Ambush? I don't see nobody. Oh.
Nuh-uh.
What do you mean,
Supersizing won't stop us.
Ha!
Get behind the shield, guys. Come on.
Ah!
That's right.
Ouch, that hurt.
Supersize. I'm a big menace.
Ow. Bye-bye. Oh no! Whack. Hey! There they are! Ow. Ow,
That's right.
really?
That's right. Get out of here. A do-over? No.
This tank.
It's fucking earth magic. Stay out of their thorn zones, new kid.
I'm hit! I'm dead. Ah, this will hurt. You
Out
got
of here.
damn it.
Oh, player one. All better now?
Ow.
Get out of my way.
New kid's here.
How do you know?
I'm bleeding. Ah! Ow! Run away.
That was weird, but at least the loot
Where are
is
you
good.
running to?
Now let's get back to tracking down Cow.
Ah! Get them done right.
I don't understand where you're running to. Oh well. We won. Let's leave through the gate.
Ziplining is stupid. Elves are
Oh.
stupid. It all makes sense. The elves probably hid the keys deep in that territory. Check near the back office.
Oh, there they are. Oh, look at all these elves.
I'm dead. Wrong.
Point.
Akira.
What? Didn't I pick hard as difficulty? I don't feel like this is hard. I may have died twice.
Ouch, that hurts.
3 times. Maybe
Suck on this.
3 times.
Death from above.
It doesn't feel like.
Look at that. This tank could blow. Fragile cargo, man. Ow, that sucks.
Fragile cargo, man.
Ah!
Fling me over.
Ow!
Now that I know what these things do. Oh, no, you didn't.
Rah! I'm dead. Oh no! New kid's healing.
Oh.
Bye.
Oh, hello. Where are you? Sacrifice. Where's he?
Sacrifice is so cool.
I don't know what the.
If anyone asks, I wasn't here. I'm.
Oh, it. Okay, so they're all max.
Everywhere.
Dare.
Understand. Oh, I understand.
Ow. Ow. No.
Kindergartners are nothing anymore. Alright. Let's get back over here. get these keys.
You have the keys, but the way you came in collapsed. You can probably find another way out, up and over.
Up and over we go. Oh, he's a ninja.
Ha! You're a poop face now.
Poop face.
Damn it!
Damn it. That's right.
I thought it would feel
Gotta win the battle.
Ow! Dare?
Ow!
I couldn't block it!
I like the damage that we're doing. We're doing really good damage. Oh, a chest. Treasure. For sure. Oh.
Gonna just let your buddy get smothered, huh? That's pretty cold.
Ooh, I'm hit!
He said just gonna let your brother get smothered. I don't know who
No,
is getting
you got
smothered.
me. Ready for round 2? Oh, fudge. Ah! Aye!
That's right. Victory. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. Launch me. Alright. Let's do this the right way. Jump over. Jimmy.
Some people get really hung up at the zipline park. Really, you can't go wrong.
Let me
How does
upgrade
that
you. Upgrade you again.
Ah, yes,
And
a
pick
fine
you.
upgrade. I bid thee farewell.
So, it's only level 1, but it's legendary. Alright. Let's go drop these keys off.
Player 1, there's a cannon. Now you can break that block of ice with a cannonball.
Oh, that block ice? We'll do that later.
It seems the gnomish juggernaut is ours. Gas it up and let her rip, new kids.
We'll do it here in a minute. Oh. And we did it. Down to Randy we go.
Finally, you did it! Under my guidance and sage-like wisdom.
Oh, thank God! You did it! You saved me! I've been trapped in here all day. I would have gotten out, but there's a level 3 elven lock on that door over there. I'm so happy! I found this chest full of toilet paper! Everyone in town is hoarding this stuff! Especially that damn Stotch! It's worth more than money! I'm rich! I'm richer than Stotch!
New kid, let's
He's
find out where
richer
Kyle's
than
hiding.
Stotch.
Yeah, Kyle, yeah. I can show you where he is, but, oh man, I've been stuck here so long, I really gotta go take a shit. Just, look within yourself and you'll find all
what
the
the fuck?
answers you need, you know? Believe in yourself and all that stuff, it'll be revealed. I'm gonna go take a shit and rub this toilet paper in that fucking Stotch's face!
He just
This
locked
is
us in
the
here.
end for you. You're gonna die here.
The elves staged an ambush. Make them regret it, new kid.
Elves are eternal.
Watch the high ground.
Roots arise! Quit it! I'm tossing it! Ow! Hey! Ow! I'm dead. Bringing the
Fuck you. I will. Oh God, I'm dead. Alright, that is not the way to do it.
Earth eruption.
Alright.
I'm tossing it. Eat too rough.
Oh,
Me up.
player one.
Thank you.
You sure do spend a lot of time on the ground. You see anything cool down there?
Actually, yeah, I did. There's earthworms in there.
Oh, the mighty blood oak rises.
The mighty blood oak falls. Oh. Oh.
Ah, player one. While you're down there, would you like a juice box?
Ha! Miss me.
Help me up. Let's get a double revive going. Double heals.
We're just playing.
Get the healer, asshole.
You're not getting me. Ow! That hurt.
I got you. Wait. Are you the healer? You're the healer.
This whip.
There we go. What's your bullshit, Kyle? Kid
It
cannon.
may look like we're throwing children at you, but elf kids are like 27. Bullshit card play, new kid. They're gonna throw little kids at you, and it's gonna hurt.
Now kids are like 27.
Quit it. Oh, that's gonna hurt for a while. Ow. Hey. Boom. Stop it. Damn. Tree power.
Alright, let's get over here and do something about these assholes.
Ow! Ow, what? There's the new kid! Ugh. Oh!
Yes,
Go fight.
I am the new
Another
kid.
wave from the UFO.
Looks like an alien spaceship crash landed in the pond. I bet their alien bodies are all frozen.
No, not my shield! I'm tossing it! Quit it!
Dickhead, your buddy is getting jockeyed.
Heck!
Jockey? Well, man,
You made me bleed, jerk!
that's funny.
If you can't deal with one fucking archer, maybe you could get a friend who can.
Player one, that was close.
I don't know how to do with an archer.
Damn it! I
You're gonna
thought
have
it
to help
would
me,
feel different.
Cartman.
Not the bow. Remember me!
Alright. Heal up. Oh, fucking hell. That's right.
Death from above! Quit it! That won't help you! Ouch! Eat this! Fragile cargo, man!
It won't help you. I'm spanking.
Come back here! Take that!
Hey.
Cut you!
More warriors.
Rah! Ow!
Get up here.
Take that! Ah! Ouch!
After I beat you.
Not the bow. Ah!
Yes, the bow. Alright.
Oh, nuts! Hey, you cut me! Ow! Target.
Holy shit, I can't believe you survived that.
So now we can pick the lock to the gate and move on. Oh boy. How long? Not too long.
Come on, open the gate.
Alright. Now we can open this gate. Oh.
The elves came from that crevasse. Kyle's base must be through there somewhere.
Cross. Give me the loot. Give me the loot.
What do you
Alright,
think?
now we can choose our upgrades. Last stand. The lower your health, the more damage you do, up to 50%.
I've had my eye on that one myself.
Oh fuck, I should have upgraded.
Good luck with the rest of your journey.
Thank you. Alright, that's fine. I'll be alright with that.
You're approaching the Elven Glade. Get ready. This is the heart of the forest. Kyle will be at his full power.
I'm ready. Oh. So. Grab that. Come down here. Oh, it looks like we found the Elven Kingdom here.
Prepare to face my Druish justice!
All right, boss fight.
Oh, boss fight. Okay, first boss fight is Kyle. That's what I like to see.
There's Skid!
Kyle. Ooh. Oh. Okay.
Player 1! Those thorns are rough. Use those jump pads.
Kia! By elven law, the crown is ours. Barons claims you!
Oh. Down I go.
The earth has spoken!
This is not.
Feed, my plants!
Player 1! Use the jump pads, new kid.
Time is on the side of the elves. Oh, player 1. All better now? It's time to end this!
20. Man, motion controls don't do this to me.
Chew their child flesh!
This isn't working.
Ow! Another dead human! Easy!
Not going so well for you, huh, Cal?
I'm just getting started!
Oh, okay, now we're doing some damage.
Ow!
Kyle, stop camping me.
Kia! The elves will not stand for this! Your fate has been decided.
Kyle.
Step through them!
Kyle.
The planet is against you! Break their skin!
Bad at that. I don't judge. Oh, look, I deserve that one.
The earth roars with me!
Player 1. Maybe revive someone else once in a while? I don't know.
Alright, I'm coming.
On the outside.
I'm coming. Need you, buddy. Hey, if they beat Kyle, help get home here.
The planet is against you! Feed, my plants! The earth has spoken!
And you have been beaten.
Yes! Yes, I did it!
You did it?
You know what,
Alright,
Cal? I
Cartman.
learned something today. You're a little bitch.
Fuck you, Cartman.
Alright, now we get to return to Koopa Keep. A new weapon. A wand. Alright. Let's collect this treasure. We got a bunch of dark matter. we? Oh, looks like to be all health. Let's just go back to the Koopa Keep. And we have a victory. Our first of many, hopefully. Wow. I got a pretty decent amount of TP.
Well.
Oh boy, here we go.
Well. You just thought you could do anything you wanted, didn't you? You just thought you were so smart. I beat you, Cal. And now by rule, you have to follow my rules here at Koopa Keep. Those are the rules, right, Your Honor?
Those are the rules, yes. You didn't beat me, fat ass. The new kid did. And who are those other 3 kids they were playing with?
Oh, those were the other new kids. They all think they're the actual new kid, but you're the only new kid that matters, right, new kid? Honestly, those other new kids are all total boners, right, Butters?
Yeah. Why did you attack my fucking base?
Attack your base! Ha! Are you denying that you were gearing up your entire army to attack our fucking base? Yeah!
What? Says who?
Says Clyde! Yeah!
And do you always trust what Clyde says?
Hell no! Clyde's a total dumbass! Yeah!
God damn it, you guys! We are gearing up to attack someone else! Someone who I think is a real, actual threat to our town!
Who?
Don't you think it's strange? A snowstorm this big in one weekend? Have you ever seen anything like it?
What are you suggesting, Elf?
It isn't natural. I think that someone has cast a level 10 endless winter spell. Well, that kind of magic has been outlawed ever since the new kid ruined the last game by farting backwards in time. Yeah, well, it's been done. I know it.
And who do you believe to have cast this banned spell?
The same person who's been acting strange for the past week. Stan.
The Marshwalker?
Stan has been acting strange ever since he thought his version of the rules were best. I was gearing up my army to get to him and force him to talk to me, to see what he was up to. But then the new kid came and got in the way.
Wow, nice going, new kid.
Whatever,
This may be all
Carmen.
fun and games for you guys, but this storm isn't going to end, and our town is in serious trouble. Oh, jeez.
Then we have no choice. New kid, we must get to the Marshwalker, Stan, and find out what he's been hiding.
Alright. That was the first one done.
The new kids are totally
I'm going to go ahead and end
Kyle, any
this
rule
episode
changes are
here,
for the tribe.
and next episode we're going to go here near Main Street. And hard. I don't know why it starts in that moment. But we're gonna end this episode here, and I will catch you guys later. If you enjoyed, tune back in for part 2.
Vertical band to the tang, boom tang tang toon tang to the loogie. For it the but the bang bang on a doogie. We pull a bit on a tang tang on a doogie.